Hey guys, GhostBlockz here, and welcome to another episode of Don't Starve. In this episode, we left off, right here. We made a fire, and what I'm gonna do this episode is I'm gonna try to come back to where I set up camp the first day, and, I'm going to try to take everything from, try to pick up everything. I'm not sure if you can, but that's some of the troubles of not starving, figuring out how to pick up items that you've already placed in the ground. So I'm going the right way, right? Not really. Okay, let's go to the egg thing, and then when I see it, I'll start going up. Hopefully I don't die from it. It looks pretty scary. Oh, there's the egg. The tall bird egg. Okay. That's a tall bird, right? No, I don't want to attack it. It's chasing me pretty far. Oh my god. Oh my Zeus. Okay. Did you see that? That was pretty... Poseidon. Oh my Poseidon. Okay. Try to pick up this bird egg. Snatched. Let's go. Hopefully that thing won't follow me. Since I took its egg, at least I assume this is egg. Eat, so I can eat it. Let's see if I can cook it in a fire. Although, wait, where am I? Oh, okay. Head this way. So when I get to my camp, I'm gonna obviously just try to pick up my stuff because I don't want to really recraft it. I'm not sure if there's an item that you need to pick stuff up. Shovel. Which shovel? I'll try shovel. Or I'll just try shovel right away. Oop. And okay, it's following me. It's following me. It's following me. Oh no. Okay. Did I make a mistake? Is this gonna be my end? I hope not. No. Okay, it missed. It's still mad. It's, this is problematic, isn't it? Maybe I should just run away from its egg, and I'm gonna have to pick it up and put it somewhere else, probably where it was before, because... really? How am I supposed to get rid of this thing? Okay. It's still following me. It's still following me. It's still following me. Where am I going? Okay, is it stopping? Or is it still following me? I think it stops. Okay. It's good. If I pick up the egg again, will it? Let's eat some of this. Keep myself from starving. I think that started to turn. What did it say? I think that was starting to turn. Yeah. So it's starting to turn rotten. Definitely turned rotten. So I only want to cook stuff from now on, like when I'm going to eat it, so it doesn't turn rotten. And probably, I wonder what it does when it turns rotten. But let's see here. I can pick up this box and examine. That's all there is. That's all I can do. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to recraft this. That'll be disappointing, but surely fine. Hammer smashes all kinds of things. Pitchfork moves the ground around. Razor, shave off your dirty feet. Smash this thing. Maybe a hammer would do it. Let's try. Try it out. Hammer, yes! Knew it, yeah. That was the art of being intelligent. Okay. Look at this. I'm like getting my cave wall shelter, destroying it, but I'm getting it back. Okay. I kind of want the gnome though, so let's try to find something. There's a trap, I don't know if that's right. Not now. Okay, it's getting late already. What the? Okay, should I pick up this thing? Should I pick up tall bird egg? I don't want this. Never mind. Okay, forget about that. Hopefully it's not useful. If it is, can I see it? No, I can't. It still says it's right there. But So maybe I should just bring it back, so I would know where it is. Nah, let's just keep it there. If I need a tall bird egg, I'll just like go, go running around trying to find it. For now, I thought I'd be able to do more, but at least I figured out how to get how to destroy my stuff, or make it into or get it back so I can craft it again. But I can make it. Oh, that's tricky. Go for the eyes. Okay, where should I be heading? Oh, I said I'd just go here. Let's go into that dense forest instead. Might be better. Or camp. Let's keep checking the map so I know where I'm going. Maybe I should go. Well, this is like a deep, dark, scary place. I don't like that place. I'm not sure if there was anything back down here where I started. Maybe I should just go down and loop around. Yeah, I'll probably do that if I remember next episode. But for now, I'll just get on the road and start walking and see how far I can get to. Oh, I can't. Can I just eat it? I can't just eat it off the... Whatever. I'm gonna start eating these. Yeah, it's starting to turn, I know that. Start running on the road. I feel like I run faster on the road. Yeah, I definitely feel like I run faster on the road. Let's see here. So, we're gonna go into... I kind of want to see what that is. It looks important. But, now we'll just stick in the road. The road leads to where I want to go. Hopefully I don't bump to that tall bird when I'm on the road, will I? Probably not, unless it's very, it really wants to get to me. Where'd the road go? Oh, there. Okay. Keep going, and I should make a fire, like, extremely soon. So, I can do stuff. Actually, can I just make a torch so I can walk? Wow, okay, that's a problem. This hasn't come to use so far. Oh, it's a tall bird. What the heck? I just killed that thing. Monster me. Okay, wait, I'm panicking, so I'm just like as close as I can get to pausing the game. So the tall bird just killed something, so it'll probably kill me. I'm just gonna go downwards at this point. I need more inventory space. I need to find like some sort of inventory space. Wait, can I just eat this and pick back up? Okay, it is really dark. Like, insanely dark. And my torch doesn't look like it's gonna last too long. It is insanely dark. I don't enjoy walking around when it's just dark. Okay, I'm just gonna build a fire. I can't. This is way too dark. Okay, it's fine. Man, it was dark. That is dark. Okay, it's fine. We got a campfire now. Let's get some grass for I can't carry anymore. Oh, did I drop grass back there instead of... I thought I just ventured back into the forest. Try to find my grass that I need really bad. What are the air examine fireflies? Okay, I can't examine fireflies. Where on earth did I even drop that? I don't even know. Oh well, we lost our grass. I thought I was gonna drop the nitrite, but it didn't work out. So maybe I should just drop. This is really turning dark. Yeah, I just ate all that. What's that? Okay. Why do I have a beard now? What the? Okay. Maybe, I don't know. So, oh boy, I zoomed out too far. Okay, so, that was, it's sleeping. Okay, so, what does that mean? It's coming. Okay, so that was episode 4 of Don't Starve. next episode, I'm going to be, going down here and exploring more. Exploring. I like this game. I like exploring so far in this game. Crafting. I need to make so many things. Is there a chest? Can I make a chest? There's gotta be a chest. Maybe I need the maybe I just didn't look good enough, and it's in the science machine stuff. Oh wait, chests. What boards? I don't know how to use a science machine to build a prototype. But I need to find boards. But still, it'll be fine. I'll get a chest. I'll do some more stuff. But for now, see you guys later.